Okay, very good morning to all of you. So today we are observing our 10th lecture. So good example is the terrarium. Terrarium means a garden in the large bottles are there. You are observing here the good photographs of some terrarium. So what is the terrarium? So it is the plurally it is called as the terrario or terrariums, and single is the terrarium. So it is usually a sealable glass container containing the soil and the plants. Sealable, that is the we are going to we may cover it by the sealing, or there is a cork is there. These containers are generally having the character as the bottles are generally transparent. Glass bottles are there larger, and therefore the white to terrarium. So generally, as a indoor gardening is there in the homes, so we may use these terrariums to increase our beauty of the home, or the porch are there where they will get the proper sufficient light. The soil and the plants, these are selected as per the our interest. So there are some good examples are there. So the generally what happens here after sealing, so water evaporation gets, only we have to keep the holes for the exchange of the these gases are there, for exchange of O2 and the CO2 is there. One thing additionally, as scientifically, here we have to also keep in mind about the light generally. So this there is no need of the direct light, but the diffused light is the important. So diffused, that is whatever after reflection. These terrarium plants generally having up to the 1 to 6 inch in the height, and generally they are the suitable for this type of the garden. This is a good photograph which is showing the water cycle. So here you observe there is having the watering should be done, and the how the light watering is important. Then there are the different types of the parts are there. So leads generally after keeping the lid or the cover, generally the transpiration of water it cannot due to the evaporation, so it is stored inside the plant itself. Then condensation generally of the water, it is also there. The main thing is there, the water requires very less, so as per the weekly or this one. Then this terrarium was firstly given by the scientist Dr. Nathaniel Ward, and so therefore first credit goes to them, doctor. And secondly, as there are the some important characters are there, so it is generally having a happy incidence is there. So firstly they have prepared in this one. Then actually they are the cocoon collectors. Cocoon means, as we are knowing, silk industry is there, so they are generally, but after that they having the used the some glass bottles. Then foreign spores germinated, and after that there is a history created. So any glass container they have used firstly hold the moisture and the transmit the light. It needs a loose fitting lid, then free of design, which generally it gives the hue to the plant. So as glasses are the transparent, so therefore it is observing very nicely. The vision is very good. Then there is a drainage of the material, so water drainage. So at the bottom we have to use the pieces of the bricks, then some soil, then soil with the charcoal, particularly to keeping the moisture, about 3/4 gravel and the 1/4 charcoal proportion, it is important. Point about the soil is there. So actually the moisture for the holding of the moisture, generally the water is soil is important, so therefore the plants are after keeping in the soil, so commercially or as they should be grow, they kept in the live condition, and therefore soil is important. Though some plants like the cactus or succulent plants, they are generally used. About the three sandy parts, like 3 is to 2 is to 1, where the sand, humus and the perlites, small pieces of the bricks are generally used. So you remember this proportion. Then role of the individual component is there. So here the charcoal having specific role. It maintain the soil nature good. Then generally it is good for the drainage. You are observing here the stone particles are there. Then potting of the soil mixture in the terrarium. So this good mixture should be prepared. Then types of terrarium are there. So there are main two types, closed and the open. So in the closed type, here you are observing it contains the different plants like the ferns, then orchids, and because they have the different similar conditions of the humidity are there, and as per the region we may use this plant. Then in the open we may use the dry plants like succulents are kept in the open terrarium, and therefore they are keeping very nicely, right? So remember these two types are there. Nestly in the closed terrarium, as it shows, generally it open weekly for some time to remove the excess moisture from the air, and generally it is kept to avoid the damage or to avoid the fungal infection, right? It is called as the mold. So it is generally kept for some time open, but it is a closed. The plants in this one, they are different: sweet flag, club mosses, then zebra plant is there, African violet is there, begonia is there, right? Then less flowers are there. So these are the good example. The plants for the generally garden under the glass is there. So how to plant this one? So here you observe that these are the some standard examples are there how to fill. So in terrarium at the basal side we have to use the these mixtures. The larger particles are there. Then for the drainage, these brick particles help for the root system development. Then after that soil, then plants, and the less watering is there. Important part in the steps. So you see the it gives the good idea for the steps of terrarium. So place the about a 1 inch about the pearl stones. Later on you see from the left side, then place the half inch of the layer of activated charcoal. After that the some moss or the Spanish moss for the water holding. Then place 1 inch thick layer of the these mosses are there, and generally their volume as per the soil is there. It is not too more or not too less. So and then soil it is added, and different ornamental plants are there. They are to be used for the terrarium. Then preparation of glass containers, they are like this one. So first step, second step, add the drainage layer. Third step, add the activated charcoal. Then fourth step, add the soil in this one. Fifth step, make the some room or the space for the keeping the plant at the center. Then we are using this as a plantation. Then start the planting, and after that we have to give the watering. Then clean the container and keep it for the observation. Then in the care of terrarium, generally the watering is important here. So in foreclosed terrarium, normally it will not need water for the 4 to 6 months are there. So in the very less water, every day there is no need of the watering, because as the drainage capacity is not there, because it is a glass made pot is there. Then secondly, use of charcoals, use of soil, it is important. Next point about the light. So light is also direct sunlight, generally it is avoided, and there is having the dimmed sunlight we are keeping in the porch or at the corner or at the window place. Then pruning of the plants, pruning, that is cutting of the extra grown branches or the leaves are there. So as per the plants we use this technique, right? Then nextly about the fertilization, supply of the fertilizer. So it also requires specifically, so it will be given in the proportion, otherwise there may be the adverse effect on the plant may be there, right? So it creates the more heat, and it may shows the more figure of the plant is there. Then nextly other cares are there. So terrarium designs, these are different glass structures are there, and generally we have to use the plants. Some plants generally they may get the die, so therefore removal of the certain branch or the part very carefully and keep the as it is. So this is the total about the terrarium, so you remember this properly. Okay, so our next lecture will be on the dish garden. So thanks to all, have a nice day.